Welcome everyone to T-Bird's Table Talk, and today I'm going to show you how to be all extra fancy schmancy with your new OBS that you just installed from watching my video. And if you didn't watch it, go back and watch it. Alright, before you do that, make sure you click and subscribe, and we're going to get started. Alright, welcome to T-Bird's Table Talk. That was not a smooth transition. And I'm going to show you how to fix those transitions by installing Advance Scene Switcher into your OBS. It is a plugin that, once you install, will allow smooth transitions and switching between scenes. Alright, so first you're going to go to your Google box on your computer and you're going to install. Well, you're not going to install, you're going to go to this link here by typing in Advanced Scene Switcher OBS, right? And then you're going to click on this link right here, or whatever link, or you can just go to obsproject.com. Cool, right? Now, today is March the 5th. This just came out yesterday. So this is the newest, the latest, and the greatest installer that is out. And we're going to click on this download link right here, right? Download. And once you download that, you're going to get a couple things that are going to come up in your download folder. You're going to take those files and you're going to move those files to wherever you like to move them to. Right click and then click extract all, right? So once you've extracted all the files, pending what software you are using, you're going to go to the corresponding folder. Now, I'm using Windows on this particular system. If you would like the video on Linux or Mac, or well, that's pretty much all there is, or I guess Ubuntu or something else maybe. But if you're using something other than Windows that I'm using, let me know in the comments below and I'll do a video on that as well. All right, so first thing you do is click on this README file, as you should do when you're installing software, because if you're not clicking on the README files, you're probably missing something. And then when you get to the installation process, you're probably having problems a lot of times because you didn't read it. All right, so right here, you can see that it gives you instructions and recommendations, right? So run the provided installer, you might have to click more info and select run anyway if it's blocked by Windows. Alternatively, manually copy the OBS-plugins and the data folders in the prospective OBS Studio installation directory. It is usually located in C programs file x86/OBS-studio. Remember to install the C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2019 if you have not done so already. All right, so we've already done this. Guess what? No, we haven't, because I'm gonna show you exactly why and how we haven't done this. So on your OBS, if you go to Tools, you see Automatic Scene Switcher, which is more or less a time delay that allows you to switch between scenes. But you don't see the advanced one in here. And I'm going to show you how to get that. Alright, so first, if you have Windows, let's open this folder after you have extracted the folder. And then you're going to navigate to your C drive. Once you're in your C drive, you will see program files x86. Open that folder. Then you will scroll down and then you will see OBS Studio. Open that folder. Alright, now these folders look similar to these folders. So we're going to put what's in these folders in those folders. OBS plugins. Open that folder. Now if you have a 32-bit version, you will know this because you'll see a 32-bit folder. Open that folder. Open this folder that says 32-bit. Now you can right click, copy and paste. You can hit Control C and Control V, however is good for you. I'm just going to click and drag this file over here to this folder. Boom. Continue. and kaboom. Let's go back. Back in the day when I was young, not a kid anymore. Back in the day. Wish I was a kid again. Here we go there. Nope. Let's go for a chart. Alright. So now we're back at what you've extracted. And this next folder says data. Let's open that folder. This folder says data. Let's open that folder. This one says OBS plugins. Let's open this folder. This one says OBS plugins. Let's open this folder. Now we have a lot of files. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy this file over here. Sometimes I like to just drag it over to make it simpler. Like this. And just highlight it. And let go. Continue. Now, if you're a little clumsy and you don't want to accidentally drop it in the wrong folder, just right click and click copy. All right, just copy, paste. All right, it's that simple. You can always have to click and drag. Next, we are going to go back. We can close this out now because we don't need this anymore. All right, and for some of you people who are not so technically inclined, not to throw any kind of shade or anything, but if you didn't know how it opened up two folders at the same time, you can right click on your file explorer and click file explorer and it'll open up a second file explorer. Or you can just create a new folder and it'll do the same thing. You just navigate to wherever you want to. It's that simple. So right click on this Advanced Scene Switcher setup and we're going to click on, hey, what's going on here? Oh no, technical difficulties. This application may depend on other compressed files or folders. For the application to run properly, it is recommended that you first extract all the files. Pretty sure I did. Let's see. Did I extract all files? Scene Switcher. Yes, it is extracted. Why is it saying that? These are some of the technical difficulties you may encounter. However, let's go up a folder. This is in my downloads folder right now. Oh, I extracted on my other computer, but not this one. Extract all. Boom. Let's put that in there. These are some of the other files that I have are intros, which is pretty cool. If you want to download a free intro video for your video, check out my page. I have a few of those that I've just installed onto YouTube, uploaded or whatever. All right. So, nonetheless, Windows, and right click. Run as administrator. Oh wow, another pop-up. Microsoft Defender Smart Screen prevented an unrecognized app from starting. Running this app might put your computer at risk, but I trust the source. I don't trust Microsoft as much, though, honestly. Isn't that ironic? All right, then you're gonna get this little pop-up. Click yes. You can close this out. right. Click, click, boom, install. And we're done. And how do we know we're done? Because, let me show you. If you look up on your OBS tools bar, you will see, hey, where'd it go? It's not in there. Should be in there. It's kind of weird. Maybe we have to restart it. Okay, we're gonna stop, restart, and see if it's in there. Pause. So after you have restarted your OBS, if you look up in the top toolbar, you will see Advanced Scene Switcher and Automatic Scene Switcher. Now this one right here, Automatic Scene Switcher, far as I know, is not compatible or doesn't work in conjunction with this. They cause some issues. So pick which one you like. If you don't want to use this one, and you probably just need to discard this video. And if you've been using this one, you're gonna have to stop using this one and start using the advanced one. And if you've been using the regular one, it shouldn't be too much harder for you to use the advanced one. And a lot of people already have this installed, but maybe you wanted to install the new one. So I just showed you how there's a lot more settings in here and a lot more things that you can do to make your video more dynamic and more interesting to the viewer's eye, to help with that OCD-ness. And if you go into this one, if you're not familiar already, this is about all you can do, really. So that is that. And oh sheesh, stop it, stop playing with me, computer. It's too late for this. All right. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. I didn't. I'm actually really tired right now. But oh fuck. Oh, there I am. Wow. Still getting used to this. All right. So as I learn and grow, so will you, hopefully, because we all make mistakes. But right now, I'm about to go get some sleep. So see you guys tomorrow for another video, and we will go over how to utilize Advanced Scene Switcher.